Yeah. Like I said earlier on, you want to maintain greasing is very essential. So you see this new piece is on it, grease daily.
Wow.
But greasing daily doesn't mean if you don't use it, then you go about greasing it daily. As long as you're using it, you grease it daily. You know what I'm saying? If you know you're going to use it today, beginning of every job, you grease it. Because you don't want to be taking this piece apart.
Okay.
Right now what we're doing, we're trying to get everything to test the system, making sure that it works. We're going to eliminate all these extensions, but this is just for trial purpose. It's going to work with this, but it's going to look much better if we do away with all these extensions. What I'm doing now is just to prevent hydraulic oil leakage. See, like I said a male and a female, okay? So that's the female and that's the male. So you just slide it in like that and that's it. Okay. That's the technical term, okay? Yes. Okay, so we're gonna work on the other side. This is very important. When you are taking stuff like this, you have to make sure that the system is shut off. There's no pressure in it. The pressure can easily kill.
Yeah, there's not a little bit of pressure.
There's
big pressure.
Oh yeah, this can easily kill.
Yeah.
Can easily kill. So
definitely.
These two, you're gonna keep them somewhere.
Okay.
Hey, I haven't signed no release forms.
Alvin, what do you think about this piece?
We gotta see it in action.
Can we try that on your car?
Nah.
So let me just put it somewhere secured.
Only one function's gonna work, either the rotate or the claw.
Yeah, we are yet to find out because we don't know which is which. So we want to make sure that at least it responds.
All right.
But I need to turn the valve on a little bit. We got hydraulic flowing into it, you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Also, when you're touching the knob, barely touch it. We're only testing. Okay. Try to get it off the way of the hose. That way, if you spin, it doesn't entangle with it. Okay? But it has to be secured. So stretch it out.
Okay.
Yeah, because it came with some specific pressure setting. So what it's doing now is hold on. I noticed something. Okay. See, one of these lines was checking. So one of them is the return line. So tap it a little bit. Let me see which one of them. Again. Okay, cool. Hold on. Hold on. Bring it down small. Okay, do it again. Let me see. Okay, I'm trying to feel the pulse. All right, hold on. Okay, bring it down slow. Okay.
Let me turn off the hydraulic.
Yeah, release the hydraulic pressure.
Alright.
It has some pressure in it, so yeah, it has some pressure in it.
I turned it off from here. What else can I do?
Okay, cut the machine off to be safe. Because now this is holding some pressure. Okay. It's holding some pressure. Let me knock it and get the pressure released. Okay. But the pressure is in the line right now.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to use my hand to moving it easily, but because of the pressure in it, you know. There's too
Yeah,
much
it makes
pressure.
it a little dangerous.
Holding pressure right now. You are hitting one side or both sides? Both? Because one's supposed to release the pressure. You know what I'm saying? So you do it again. Let me get the pressure off. Much safer. Start again, right? And then just release the pressure. Good. What? You did something. Just turning the key on, right?
Turn the key.
Okay, good. You see the pressure was because it's using a solenoid. So as soon as you send the pulse to the solenoid, it releases the pressure. Yeah. Yeah, there's pressure in it. Okay, keep it right there. Let me open this again so that. Okay, good. See? Now it's easy to uncouple. Just like that.
Wow.
Yeah. So now,
Yours is perfect. It's always like
spilling your coffee all over you. Okay, Rahul, do this for me again. I want to feel the pulse, which is which, okay? So start and do it again. Let me see some. What?
It's okay to do it like that?
Yes, because it's. Yeah, go ahead. All right, hold on. Let me see. Hold on. There's pressure in the line.
Yeah.
Cut it off, let me see. Now, turn the key on again, let's see. Because there's too much pressure in the line. Okay, good. Supposed to snap easily, you know.
Yeah, right.
Because of the
Turn the key one more time.
do that, let me see, because now there's no pressure in it. So it's supposed to go easily. Turn the key on and off and let's see. Okay. Try again, let's see. Swing to the other side a little bit. All right. Well, right. Okay, so the other side is not moving. The other side is supposed to move too. Oh, that one is stationary. It's not going to move. Okay, that's cool. This is fixed. Okay, good. So you see, right now, if we take the hoses off and we use the other two hoses, it's going to spin. You want to try that? Yeah, I mean, so we just have to get the other two lines off. See, we're supposed to be able to spin it. See, it's as simple as that. You want to make sure it's clean. Don't want any dirt in the hydraulic system. It's very important. Cut it off and release the pressure again. And turn the key on. Okay, good. So now there's no pressure. It comes off easily. Okay, cool. Now, lift it. But this is what you're gonna do. Lift it right, and then let it face up because we don't want it to entangle with any of the hoses. You gotta be secured later. So lift the whole boom. All right, cool. Now try to rotate it. See, go the other way, let's see. Use the other. So it goes just one way. Okay. You try, let's see. See, now it goes the other way. Cool. Whoever will be sitting on it, you have to indicate the person. You know what I'm saying? Because you can easily break a hose. You know what I'm saying? So all that we have to do now, everything is secured. It's okay. But I don't like the way the lines are dangling right here. So they're gonna be secured well. And then these two lines, we just figure them out and use it so that, you know, so that's all. At least for now. It's not a big deal, it's just that, you know, you have to study the system, especially when you are not familiar with this very machine. I've dealt with cats and all other machines. So you want me to put it back on the other one or leave it there? Okay.
What do you think, Alex?
Strong, this car, that's a machine, man. Like a prop.
I'm only trying to secure the hose. You know what I'm saying? Because right now, you see how this is? If you accidentally spin it, that's it, you're gonna break the hose. This is what I will advise, okay? You see this bracket here? You just need a drilling machine, hand drill, drill a hole or weld the bracket, whereby you can put something keep these hoses away from this. Okay, so you put all together that way. But there will have to be some, movement in them. You don't want it to be stiff, because if you move the other way, you're gonna stretch the hose and damage the fitting of the hose. So leave some, some play in it. That's good. All right, I don't know whether you wanna leave it there like that or not. We have the other two male fittings for this one. See? We have the other two male fittings. We have the female fittings over there, new ones. So we just have to mount it on this, and that's it, we couple them. So Raul, if you get a chance, you study the system, figure out these two pipes. You know what I'm saying? I will also be doing the same thing. That way, we have the fittings here. If we put the female over there, and it goes right away, that's it. Okay?
Okay.
You can switch them around. But what I would suggest to you, you mark them.
Okay.
The zip tie comes in colors, okay? So if you put, let's say, blue color here and you zip it very tight, you put blue on that tube.
Okay.
That way you know blue to blue, red to red. Just demarcation, you have to mark them.
Okay.
Color coding, basically.
Yeah.
That way, in case you fix some holes or anything else, you don't mess up. But don't forget this. This is pure electronic. So anytime a solenoid is shut, there's pressure holding it. So just turning the ignition on releases the pressure.
Okay.
So if you're trying to uncouple any of the fittings and it's tight, just turn the ignition off and on, and you're gonna be free. Don't use force like I was doing earlier on. I think it's good for now. If we're able to figure that too, that's it. Mission is accomplished. The only thing again, make sure these hoses are secured well, because you can easily damage your hoses. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. If you're not careful, yank it and you mess up the thread.
Yeah.
Then that becomes another problem. So make sure the hoses are well secured up there. Enough room for it to move, but not too close to be entangled with the piece.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, let me hit the road. I'm working tonight,
Oh man.
Yeah, I start at 9, so by 8 I have to leave home.
Which area?
In Baltimore. And I have a company truck with me, big F550, with a crane and the welding machine, everything on, So normally they need me around. Not always, I have to be around.
Wow.
Because I think it's a federal law. Anytime you move any equipment on the track, there have to be a mechanic around. In case it breaks down, then attend to. If not, you shut the system down. Okay, these are all yours, okay?
Yeah, I'll put it away.
Yeah.
So this is, I guess, just extra to weld it later if it wears down.
In case, yeah. Because they know that it's gonna go bad, you know what I'm saying? And the reason why they made a hole inside it, so that you weld from inside.
Oh, okay.
You can weld on the side and then the inside too, so that will be very secure. What you can do, get something like a wire or something very strong that's not gonna break easily, tie it nicely, tie it in the machine. Like say this boss here that you are not using, hang it over there.
So it's always with it.
That's it. Yeah. Hang it over there so that you always have, because it will take forever for you to get that thing worn out. And by the time it's worn, you will never find it. So keep it on the machine all the time. Makes sense. Let me hit the road.
All right.
Yes,
thank you so much.
It's a pleasure.
It was a lot of knowledge.
Yeah, thank you. We are all learning, you know what I'm saying? I work on different equipments. This very machine, I've never even operated this machine before, so you have to figure it out. But safety is very important. Whatever you'll be doing, you have to make sure you are doing it in a safe way. If you are not sure, don't do it, or this can easily hurt you. You see, we just figured it out that turning the ignition off and on alone just releases the pressure. See? So I think it's good. With due respect, please subscribe to Junkyard Junkies. And also don't forget to click the bell.
All that.
And if you don't do that,
Uh-oh.